Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, embeddings in Python using the popular Hugging Face transformers library. BERT embeddings capture contextual information and have proven effective in various natural language processing tasks. First, make sure you have the necessary libraries installed. You can install them using the following commands. We will use the Hugging Face transformers library to load a pre-trained BERT model and its tokenizer. In this example, we'll use the bert-base-uncased model, which is a smaller version of BERT. Next, we'll use the tokenizer to convert our text into tokens and then encode them for input to the BERT model. Now, let's use the BERT model to obtain embeddings for our input text. BERT embeddings are generated for each token in the input text. In this example, we'll extract the embeddings for the CLS token, which typically represents the entire input sequence. Now that we have obtained the BERT embeddings, you can use them for various downstream tasks such as text classification, sentiment analysis, or any other NLP task. This concludes our tutorial on using BERT embeddings in Python. You can now integrate these embeddings into your NLP projects for improved performance in various tasks. Experiment with different pre-trained BERT models and explore more advanced applications using the Hugging Face transformers library. ChatGPT